We just gonna hop right to it. We're doing a natural sew-in today using some of Lyfe's um, loose wave hair in 18-inch and 20-inch. I'm doing a natural braid down with, it's usually about 3 braids on the front side and 3 braids in the back and 3 braids on the other front side and 3 braids in the other back side. But my sister has a longer hairline, so she got 4 braids. So that's what we're doing. That's how it looks on the other side. And then I'm just repeating those same braid pattern on the other side. I didn't want to spend too much time doing a braid down because I felt like a braid down is pretty basic, and I just didn't feel like it was a need to show y'all the whole braid down and take up that time where I could show y'all other stuff. But if you want me to just take my time in the braid down, then let me know. If not, I'll speed it up through the braid down. Let me know that too in the comments. Like I said, this is my first time doing YouTube, so yeah. So I'm gonna get ready to show y'all the whole braid down, and I'm gonna get ready to oil her scalp with my growth oil. It's available on my website, which is virginlife.com. The hair is also available on my website, which is virginlife.com, and you also can book your appointment at virginlife.com. Little plug. But yeah, so I'm going to get ready to apply a net to her hair because I always apply a hard net to my client hair. I don't like the soft net because I feel like the soft net doesn't really protect the client hair. And like I said, this is Virgin Life Hair Company where we like to have a healthier hair experience. None of my clients ever experience edge loss. And if they have had edge loss, we have grown their edges back. And when I say we, me and the client work together to grow their edges back. So I'm going to continue putting that net on, and then I'm going to cut that excess net off. Be careful when you cut this net off because sometimes clients don't realize what you're doing, and you do be cutting around their ears. Alright, so I'm getting ready to start sewing on the first track, and I like to sew my track like this in the back because it allows me to be able to flip that track up and my clients to be able to wear her hair in a ponytail without me actually leaving hair out in the back. Whew, excuse me, y'all. I didn't mean to yarn on here like that. So yeah, I didn't want to try to, um, yeah. See how it look when you flip it up. Boom, we on and popping, we on and popping. Because my little sister need to grow all her hair back. Like y'all, I'm gonna try to keep y'all updated in her healthy hair journey because she got some really pretty hair. It can just look so good and so bomb. She just needs some help, and that's what I'm here for, to help her get her hair nice and healthy. And that's why we putting it up right now, because she don't know the necessary steps, and I gotta beat it in her head before she can get ready to wear her hair out. Not actually beat it in her head, but talk to her. So if you haven't noticed, I like to sew my tracks nice and flat because a flat seamless install is what makes it look very natural. Like I said, once again, this is Virgin Life hair, which is our loose wave hair. This is the natural pattern that it comes in. It's it just look like this right off the pack, y'all. So you can wash it, you can color it. It can last up to 2 years, and like I said, it's available on virginlife.com. So I double my tracks up all the way up into, I believe, about around here. I think this is probably the last double track. Nope, look like I'm about to double this one too. So I doubled this one, and then the next ones after this is no longer being doubled. I like to double them all the way up to a certain point because it allows it to be real full, and you get all of the bundle in. I got all the 2 bundles in. There was really a little bit of hair, like a smidget of hair left, and I probably could have stuck that in anywhere, but I had to go to the gym, so I had to get her up out of there. So I like to do my sewing installs very nice and flat and seamless. And as you can tell, like I'm gonna get all the way close up to the basically the part in her hair. And that's how you make sure that it's a seamless install. Look how the hair don't got no tangles, no snags, no shedding. I love it. I've been with my vendor for 7 years, y'all. We got a relationship. I'm actually getting ready to have a Black Friday sale. I'm kind of excited about that Black Friday sale because y'all gonna love this hair. And y'all gonna be like, sis, help me save them coins. Like, this was a dog sale. Alright, so I'm basically doing the last little few tracks up here at the top. And as you see, I get all the way up to the part. And this is how you make sure that it stays nice and seamless and flat, okay? Make sure you cut off that excess little thread because it'll mess up the sewing and make the sewing unravel quicker if you don't. So I just like tilted it so y'all can see how you pretty much don't got no humps, no lumps. It's seamless. So that means like her hair is not gonna do no separating. Is you're not gonna see it's seamless on top, okay? This is how you make sure that it's a natural sewing, okay? So now you have to get ready for that blend game, okay? Like, this is how you know your craft is the bomb, when the blend game is just amazing, okay? So you definitely got to start off with that hot, trusty, dusty, hot comb, okay? You got to make sure you get them edges nice and laid, all right? You got to make sure you get them roots pressed it, okay? Pressed it, okay? That's how you know the hair is going to be popping. That's the first step, okay? So I go in there nice and gentle and smooth, but not too gentle because sometimes them edges, they need a little hard press. And my sister hair is thick, okay? So then we're going to go in there and do a little curl action, a little Detroit curl action for the girls. We like ours, kind of straight at the top and curled on the bottom. So I call them Detroit curls because we do them with flat irons. I feel like we invented that here. I don't know. I just feel like we did that here first. And now everybody else want to know how to do it. So we're going to finish off that. And yeah, this is the style. I'm going to finish it off. Give y'all a little bit more little curl action. I'm going to do her edges. Blend her hair into it a little bit more. Finish her off. And I hope y'all like this. Please follow me on Instagram at virginlyfe.com, or you can follow me on my personal page at I am Dorothy Sanchez. I said follow me on Instagram on virginlyfe.com. That's funny. You get it though. Follow me on Instagram at virginlyfe, and you can follow me on Instagram at I am Dorothy Sanchez. And if you want to make an appointment with me, I am located in Troy, Michigan, just down the street from Somerset Mall. I do have appointments. I am trying to get your hair healthy and trying to get you popping, girl. Talk to y'all later, and definitely subscribe. Leave me some comments. Leave me some tips, some tricks, whatever. Holla.